Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'll be talking about three different free profit accounts which I'll just have to make it brief because the process on claiming it already is straightforward and simple, so you just need to pay attention to how to claim it. Now of recent, I think 2 days ago, I made a video about Nostro funded accounts and how you can actually claim it. I dropped the link to the Telegram channel asking people to go straight to the site, complete the taxes right there, and wait for the countdown. Now, today, early this morning, I got a message in my email showing me a code which would enable me to which would enable me to access the free funded account. Now, what I'll be talking about now is process and how you need to go about it. Because if you receive an email like this showing you this coupon code, it means you've been rewarded the free funded account. You just need to go straight to their site to unlock the account. Now, once you click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section, it takes you to the Telegram channel, and in the Telegram channel, you'll find the links to the three free funded accounts I'll be talking about today. Now, the first one you'll be meeting is the one that will take you to Nostro Funding, having details just like this. Now, before I actually talk about the steps and how to go about it, I want every single person watching this video right now to give this video a like. Now, this step actually helps the video and it helps YouTube also push the video to more audience who are in this forex trading niche and don't have the capital to start, so they get this free capital, something like this, to push forward. Now, in the Telegram channel, the link you find, click on it and it brings you to Nostro Funding. Now, since you already have in your email address, you already have the coupon code, you just need to copy it, come back to Nostro Funding, log in. Now, this right here actually add, I think I didn't make a mistake, but you would also receive not just a code, a password, which is what you'll be using to log in into your Nostro Funding account. Now, you put in the email you used in registering and the password which was sent to you is what you'll be using to log in. In case you don't see the password which was sent to you, you can actually click on forget password and then proceed to creating a new password so you can be able to log in. Now, once you're logged in into the site, without wasting time, just click on these three lines at the top right here. And among the options, you see challenge at the top. Now, you can just click on new challenge and you can see right here it says free account. You just click on it. And all you need to do is to add the coupon code which was sent to your email is what you'll be using to activate it. Now, immediately you add your coupon code, it will be activated and login details will be sent to your email address, which is what you just need to copy, take it to your MT5, and you'll be having something like this in your MT5 ready to start trading. Now, if you take a look at my account, I already started trading with it and I'm already earning a profit, which is one thing I'm actually going to be working on this week. You'll be seeing more of my face this week because I'm actually working on a strategy which I'll be explaining to everyone in the Telegram channel. I will explain the strategy on how I use it and how I'm able to make profit with it. So I actually talked about in some of my previous videos. I talked about putting together a couple of members of the community who would actually together complete a forex course, and at the end would work out using strategies so that you can actually always drop signal to the community. Now, this right here, this week alone, I will be explaining how to use this strategy and how to make profit with it, which is something everyone in the community needs to work on so you can always make profit trading with most of this net deposit bonus we are getting. Now, so since you've activated the account, you can start trading. That goes for Nostro, and for the other free profit account which you will be getting, which is the 1K account. So the second link you find in the Telegram channel, just click on it and then it takes you to this platform right here. That's this profile that is named X Pips. You can see the name at the top. Now, this right here, you just need to fill in your details into this section right here. Fill in your details, and I think I have some little bit of issues with their terms and conditions, but I'm not clear about it yet because I will make it known to everyone if I'm once I get the full details about the terms and conditions. So you just need to still go straight, claim it. I know you've gotten it, and then you can actually see get more info about the terms and conditions, because I'm actually seeing right here, it says the minimum withdrawal and the maximum withdrawal is $10, which is not, I think it's not something anyone would want to waste their time on. So since we have this right here, you fill in your details, and at the bottom right here, you just scroll down and click on activate account. And the minute you do that, an account will be created on your behalf, and also you'll be getting a free 1K funded account. And if you check also, I already got it. I've started trading with it, and that's it. So for the terms and conditions, just chill. I am sending more details about the terms and conditions to the Telegram channel. So you just need to make sure you are in the Telegram channel. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the Telegram channel. Those two accounts are where those two spaces are where I actually drop updates about Forex. And anytime I actually get update about free Forex account, that's where I actually drop them. So in case you're actually missing out on any of these and you haven't subscribed, it means you're actually missing out a lot. So for those of us who have subscribed, get ready. This week we're actually trading. We're doing a lot of trading this week. So just let's get prepared, and I'll be talking about how to go about it tomorrow in tomorrow's video. So get yourself ready. We'll be trading live, like we're trading a live account. And for those who can't afford to make deposits, we'll be using the free funded account, which I actually make video about. But for me, I'll be trading with a live account, explaining to you guys this strategy I'm actually trying to drop. So you don't want to miss out. Stay blessed and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, guys.